Hello, world. Thank you for joining me, Reverend Mannie Nsofwa, Household Talk. Happy New Year. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you on behalf of Household Talk, on behalf of my wife, Lumbuka Kaunda Nsofwa, for the good times, for your good hearts, for your good selves, for all what you've done for us, and for all your commitment to class. And I know and I'm sure we have learned a lot. And this year will be a year of hope and the year of doing things right. Things we might not have done right, but we can do them right. I want to appreciate you, and I'm so excited that we're going into another year together, and God is going to show us yet a lot of things. My coming in today to talk to you, world, is to just show you our statement, to try and explain to some of you who might not know who we are. We are not people or a group of people you might think coming up because coming up is fashionable. But like we always have shown you that our statement lies nowhere but on truth, on the scripture. That is our oath. That is our book. Our statement is on truth. We believe in truth. We believe truth. The absolute truth is what creates world, is what created the world. Truth which is found in the Word. We believe the Word is God. We believe if you want to talk to God, you should read the Word, read the scriptures. So we want to affirm to you, we want to show you who we are, so that even as you are in class with us, you understand what we're doing. We are here with a message to all the 4 human beings: black, yellow, white, brown. We are not an organization or a group of people who are coming up to organize, because organizing and meeting is fun. But we are a people who are yearning for the emancipation of the humankind, of humanity, as prescribed in the Word, in the scripture. So folks, that's who we are, and we know that the center of all what we're discussing is humanity as a whole, not as separated by the dispensation we have lived in for over 6,000 years. The dispensation we are calling the Adamic dispensation. The dispensation of the knowledge which has driven us away from God, which has taken us away from God. Because this dispensation, folks, like we always say, this dispensation is coming to an end. Not because we are another group of people shouting lion or bringing a false message, but this is attested by what we are going through as the human race. The time of this world is no more, folks. The time of the Adamic world is no more. The time of this world is no more. That is the message I bring to you in 2023. And please, all human beings, take heed. And this message is not coming because I want to say something. No. Because scripture says so. Revelation chapter 10 verse 6 reads, "And I swear by him that liveth forever and ever, who created heaven." Remember, him is who? Absolute truth. Heaven are the scriptures. Truth resides in scriptures. We've talked about all this. You can go back to our videos and learn. So, and I swear, Revelation 10:6, the book of Revelation 10:6, "And I swear by him that liveth forever and ever, who created heaven and the things that therein are, and the earth and the things that therein are, and the sea and the things that therein are, therein, that there should be time no longer. The time of this world is no more. Remember, the book of Revelation is a book of prophecy, not just a book of revelation. I have shown you through long hours, through difficulties, in season, out of season, that the Bible is not a book of history. The Bible is a book of parables, the book of prophecy. It's a book of allegories. So when the Bible is talking about heaven, sea, all those are symbols. For example, sea. When you take the word sea, it says let's read this scripture again for us to understand. Revelation 10:6, and swear by him that liveth forever and ever. Who is he who lives forever and ever? Truth. I am that I am. Truth has been forever and ever, and truth is beckoning, is bidding us every day, is showing us the way, which we refuse every day. Because of our Adamic mind, we choose wrong truths and we are dying. And now the Bible is saying time is no more. I swear by him that liveth forever and ever, who created heaven and the things that they are in,